Oh, check this out, dudes. I got all the crap hauled out of the friggin' interior so we can at least have a friggin' Santas. Just piled it all up over here in accordance. Why wouldn't I? Check this out though. Friggin' Crawdad was rocking the friggin' Pioneer 6B9s. Eh? Friggin' tree ways onto them even. Pioneer 6B9s. But, oh no, don't wreck them. Those are Crawdad's good ones. Put those in his new rig probably. Probably put those in his new rig, but squidged a bunch of it out. If I can get the laser beam friggin' going here. If we could line her up just ever so coherent. She's just friggin'. There we go. But we're right on the line right there. And if you come along here, we got to come out half an inch and all the way over to here. We got to come out. How many's that? Another 3/4 inch. We got to still come out 3/4 inch. Uh-oh. Oh, but I got to start pulling the interiors bits out of this because we got that other half a cab, so as we can measure between the air skulls on that one, make sure, you know, they're at least similar. We'll get the rest of this interior out here. It'll be awesome. It'll be freaking awesome, you guys. Oh, and don't forget different types of merch at onepoint.com. Freaking Canada Post is back up and running. So yeah, we can get you your stuff in a timely manner now. Was looking grim there for a minute. What with the postal strike and whatnot. Oh, look at that. I don't know if we'll put any of this nonsense back in or not. This is like the deluxe interior. We gotta get this headliner out too. It's all scabby and dackered. You got little pockets in the floor there to hold your screws even. Classy fellas. Just held in with crust and sagret. Oh yeah, what was that? Some type of, oh my God! Some type of jankum just fell out of there. There's a little nut. A very small nut. Oh, the laser beams. Getting me quite nicely. But yeah, I think we could probably do without all these Trimbolinis and stuff. So we're gonna need a whole bunch of extra screws for the dash and stuff. Oh my God, what's all this? Where's all that go? Up to the interior light. Goodness gracious. Do I really want to get this down right now, or should we just relax? Let's relax. Get some of this put away. Do a little cleaning up in here a little bit. See what we're dealing with. What is all this? Rick John Luke did a bunch of body work on this thing, driver's floor, and wow, that's good. His specialty is roofing tar and newspapers. I wish I was joking. I had Crawdad's dump truck here at one point too. Let's see if we can't, oh look at that, 10 cents. Paying for itself, boys. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Pope's Easter something, seeking something, this and that. The friggin' Pope. I've got the obituaries. Friggin' dirty old Jim, surrounded by his family in the London Health Science Center. April 16th, 2014. His 67th year. Good yard. That guy's only 20 years older than me. In the obituaries, hey? Oh my God. Yeah, I gotta take tablets now, and friggin' my foot's dicked, my elbows are dicked. Just falling apart, boys. Turning into a crepit. Turned into old crepit. So that's good. That's positive news. Gotta take Advil once in a while. Hey? Extra strength even. Great. Yeah, I don't know. All the luxury plastics and stuff. Might be able to get 50 cents for buy and sell. Nay, I apologize. I'm trying to get 50 cents for old crusty interiors in the buy and sell. Look at that, nice. Nice. Don't let John Luke loose with a tub of tar and a newspaper route. Okay? Oh my God, oh wow. I mean, this is some quality workmanship right here. That is nice. What a goose. You know, this is something that you do to a vehicle that, you know, you're just trying to get a winter out of, not in Crawdad's work truck. Yeah, that's the kind of work you do on, you know, like a ship box. You're just trying to get a bullshit safety on for the winter. That's not how you fix the floor in a square body crew cab buck, and you know, the only rust on it's, you know, a little bit in the floor and a little bit in the rockers. Like, not even bad at all. Oh yeah. Caulking, oh my God, what the fuck? Let me know in the comments if you ever done body work or even seen anything so diabolical in your life. Tar and newspapers. That's just how he does it. If you've got John Luke to do body work for you, at any point, it's, you know, it was friggin' roof and tar and newspapers. No question. What do we got here? That's the Must have used the 25-year caulking over here. Holy. Let's get the 25-year caulking onto her, boys. My apologies. I spoke too soon. Eh? Cut the edge off and just put caulking on it. Oh, right he did. Oh, nice, welded it all along there. Just caulking along here though. Wow, dude. So cool, dude. I'd have to show you what a 47-year-old could do here in a minute, boys. I have to go to the toilet. I can't even believe this. This can't be fucking real life. Look at how he needed to get that out of the way, so just absolutely fucking hack that off, right? Wow, that's pretty cool. I'll need a new fucking door trimbolini for that, I guess. I don't know if you can tell, I'm not very impressed with John Luke's, well, I mean, it's really a crawdad too, because he brought the fucking thing there. But I mean, see how the floor is like, it goes up and then down, like there's something. Sounds very much double layered there. But I mean, this lip here too, I mean, this right here is the top of the inner rocker. So I mean, that's supposed to be underneath there. So I mean, we're half an inch high anyways, minimum. So he's like crammed that side in and then just mashed it down over top of everything and just pooped newspapers and tar over it. Excellent. That's fucking wonderful news. But I want to get most of this cleaned up here just so as, you know, we're ready to... I gotta fix the English wheel and stuff and everything anyways, and a bunch of stuff still yet to go before we start actually fixing anything. But a little bit at a time.